Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about the topic is Unit 5 Money. Convert rupees to pies. Our government of India indicates money as the symbol of this currency symbol. Okay. Shankar is preparing to go for an excursion. He asked his father rupees 400 as his pocket money. Father sees that 2000 notes only in the purse. Soon, father goes to shop to get change for 2000 rupees. So, Sankar is preparing for the excursion. So, he asks his father, how much rupees? 400 rupees. But his father having 2000 rupees only in the purse. Okay. So, how did he change? Father, sir, give me change for 2000. Then I have following varieties of the combination which are as follows. So the first variety is in 500 rupees. Second option 500 plus 200 rupees and 100 rupees. And next variety 500 rupees and 200 rupees and 250 rupees. Okay, which one do you prefer? Turn the page number 36. Father, okay sir, I select the third variety of combination, that is 1 2 3 4 500 rupees and 1 2 200 rupees, and here 50 plus 50, so 100 rupees. Okay, so okay sir, I will give you the same. Thank you sir. Shankar, here is your 400 rupees, get it. Father, shall I get the change as 150 note, 120 note, 2 10 notes, 1 5 note and 5 and 1 coin. Okay, do you know our forefather had used various kind of coins. So our forefather having coins, among them 1 pice, 2 pice, 5 pice, 10 pice, 20 pice, 25 pice, 50 pice, but they are not in use now. Okay, denomination here rupees 2865. Okay, how did you change 2000 rupees? 2500 rupees, 200 rupees, 100 rupees, 50 rupees, 10 rupees and 5 rupees. Okay. Here, which is the highest currency value? 2000. Next highest currency value is 500. Next highest currency value is 200. Okay. So, 2865 minus 2000. 2000 equal to 865. Now, you subtract the value of 500. 365. Then how much rupees? 200. So minus 200, 165 minus 165. So next 50 rupees, 15. Next how much rupees? 10 rupees. 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. Then 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So totally how many rupees? 2865. Students, turn the page number 37. Rupees 565. Here some currency values are given: 200 rupees, 100 rupees, 50 rupees, 10 rupees and 5 rupees. Okay, so now you calculate 565. So 200 rupees, totally 400. 2 into 2 is equal to 400. So subtract the value. 565 minus 400 is equal to 165. Next, 100 rupees. So minus 100 is equal to 65. Next, 50 rupees. 150 rupees. 50 minus 15. Okay. Next, 110 rupees. 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. Next, 5 rupees. So 5 minus 5 equal to 0. So totally how many rupees are there? 200 rupees, 100 rupees, 150 rupees, 110 rupees and 5 rupees. Totally 565. Okay. Try this. Here how many rupees is given? 100. So 100 divided 50 equal to 2. Okay. Next 100 divided 20 equal to 5. 100 divided 10 is equal to how many rupees? 10. 100 divided by 5 rupees is equal to 20. Okay. So 2 into 50 rupees, 100. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So 100. 2 into 50 is equal to 100. 5 into 20 is equal to 100. 10 into 10 is equal to 100. 20 into 5 is equal to 100. Okay, activity. Filling the box with model notes. Here, how much rupees is given? 50. So, 20, 20, 10. 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. Okay. Next option, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns are there. Already 20 rupees is given. So 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. 30 plus 10 is equal to 40. 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. Next, here 10 rupees is given. How many columns are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. 30 plus 10 is equal to 40. 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. Okay. Activity. Take a sheet of paper and cut out the model notes rupees 10, rupees 20 and rupees 100. Fix it below the box provided to get the total of rupees 200. One is done for you. Students, turn the page number 38. Here 200 rupees is given. Here how many columns are given? 2. Okay. So 200 divided by 2 is equal to 100. So 100, it is divided 100 and 100. 100 plus 100 is equal to 200. Next, here how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 200 divided by 4 is equal to 50. So 50 plus 50, 100. 100 plus 50 is equal to 150. 150 plus 50 is equal to 200. Okay. Here, how many columns are there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. So 200 divided by 10. 200 divided by 10 is equal to 20. So 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. Then 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. Okay. Next, here how many columns are there? 20 columns are there. So 200 divided by 20 is equal to 10. Okay. 10 plus 10. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190 and 200. Okay. Have you ever gone to petrol pump? The price of 1 liter petrol is rupees 78.12. Have you ever noticed? So rupees 1 is equal to how many pies? 100 pies. Okay. Conversion of rupees into pies. This conversion is useful while you are bargaining in the vegetable shop and so on. To convert rupees into pies, multiply the rupees by 100. Example 1. Convert rupees 2 into pies. So 1 rupee is equal to how many pies? 100 rupees. 100 pies. So 2 rupees equal to 2 into 100 is equal to 200 pies. Okay. Example 2. Convert rupees 8.50 into pies. 1 rupees is equal to 100 pies. Okay. So here how many rupees are there? 8. So 8 into 100 plus how many pies are given? 50. Okay. So 8 into 100 is equal to 800 pies plus 50 pies is equal to 850 pies. Page number 39. Example 3. Ravi's father went to the shop and bought 1 kg of dal for rupees 38.70. 38 rupees 70 pies. Convert the cost of dal in the pies. Cost of 1 kg of dal, how much rupees? Rupees 38 and 70 pies. Okay. So 38.70 rupees first you convert to pies. So 38 into 100 is equal to 3800 pies plus 70. Okay, now you add the value of 3800 plus 70 equal to 3870. 3800 plus 70 equal to 870. Okay, conversion of pies into rupees. To convert pies into rupees, divide the pies by 100. Example, convert 900 pies into rupees. So 900 pies is equal to 900 divided by 100. 900 divided by 100, 0, 0. You cut the value. 9 by 1 is equal to 9. Okay. Example 2. Convert 1950 pies into rupees. To change the pies into rupees, divide the pies by 100. So 1950 pies is equal to 1950 divided by 100. Here how many zeros are there? 1, 2. So 2 decimal value 19.50. Okay, 1, 2. So 19.50. Students, turn the page number 40. Exercise 5.1. In 1000 rupees, how many 500 notes are there? So 1000 divided by 500 equal to, now you cut the value 0, 0, 0, 0, 10 divided by 5. So 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. So how many 500 notes are there? 2. Okay. Next, how many 200 notes are there? 1000 divided by 200 equal to 5. How many 100 notes are there? 1000 divided by 100 is equal to 10. How many 50 notes are there? 1000 divided by 50 is equal to 20. Okay. Kamala had a change of rupees 100, rupees 50, rupees 20 and rupees 10 notes. How many rupees did she have in each to get the total of rupees 500? So, Kamala had how many rupees? 100, 50 rupees, 20 rupees and 10 rupees. How many rupees did she have in each to get the total of rupees 500? So, here listen. So 100 into 2 is equal to 200. 50 into 2 is equal to 100. 20 into 5 is equal to 100. 10 into 10 is equal to 100. So totally 200 plus 100 is equal to 300. 300 plus 100 is equal to 400. 400 plus 100 is equal to 500. Convert the following rupees into pies. Rupees 7.50. So 1 rupees is equal to how many pies? 100 pies. So 7 rupees. 7 into 100 plus 50 pies equal to 700 pies plus 50 pies is equal to 750 pies. Next, 18.75. So now you convert the value of rupees to convert the pies. So 18 into 100 is equal to 1800 pies plus 75 pies. So 1875. Okay. Rupees 54.68. So 1 rupees is equal to 100 pies. So 54 into 100 is plus 68 pies. So 5400 pies plus 68 pies. Now you add the value 5468 pies. Next, rupees 102.50. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. 102 into 100 is equal to how much? 10,200 pies plus 50 is equal to 10,250 pies. Next, 129.45. 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. 129 into 100 is equal to 12,900 pies plus 45 pies is equal to 12,945 pies. Okay. Next, 308.61. 1 rupees is equal to 100 pies. 308 into 100 is equal to 30,800 pies plus 61 pies. So 30,861 pies. Write the denomination for the following amount. Rupees 466. Okay. So rupees 466, we convert the value of 200, 100, 100, 50, 25, 1. Okay. So 200 rupees. How many rupees? Only 1 rupee. So 1 into 200 is equal to 200. Then how many rupees? 100. So 100 into 2 is equal to 200. Then 50. 50 into 1 is equal to 50. 10 into 1 is equal to 10. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 200 plus 200 is equal to 400. 400 plus 50 is equal to 450. 450 plus 10 is equal to 460. 460 plus 5 is equal to 465. And 465 plus 1 is equal to 466. Use and fill in the box with the amount given below to get the given amount, rupees 845. So rupees 845. So how did it is divided? 500 rupees. The highest value is 500. Next to 200. Next to 100. Okay, so 500 plus 200 is equal to 700 rupees. 700 plus 100 is equal to 800. 800 plus 20 is equal to 820. And 820 plus 820 is equal to 840. 840 plus 5 is equal to 845. Okay. Next, here one bat and ball value. So bat and ball total rupees is 100. 2 balls rupees is 50. Now the question is the bat rupees, how much rupees? Here 2 balls rupees, totally rupees 50. So only one ball is 25. Okay, so 100 minus 25 is equal to 75. Here watermelon, apple and mango. Watermelon, apple, mango. Total rupees is 75. Apple and mango rupees is 45. So 2 watermelons rupees. So totally 75. And here apple and mango rupees is 45. Okay, so you have subtract the value. 5 minus 5 equal to 0. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Now you multiply with 2 because 2 watermelons are there. So 30 into 2 is equal to 60. Okay, next question. Convert the following pies into rupees. Convert the following pies into rupees. 800 pies. So 800 pies divided 800 divided 100 is equal to 8 rupees. Next, 500 pies. 500 divided by 100 is equal to 5 rupees. 2075 pies. 2075 divided by 100. So how many zeros are there? 2. So 2 decimal value calculated. Here 2 decimal value. So 20.75. 6,860 pies. 6,860 pies divided 100. Okay. So 2 decimals are there. Here now you change the value. So 68.60. 200 pies. 200 pies. 200 divided by 100 is equal to 2 rupees. Next sum, 150 pies. So 150 divided by 100 equal to 2 decimal. So you change the value 1.50. Okay, next 2000 pies. 2000 divided by 100 is equal to 20 rupees. Okay students, thank you. Today class is over.